Hello. This video shows how to use data output mode in Voxel Drafter. This mode generates mcfunction files for use with function of the Java Edition Minecraft. As you can see, the file contains commands to place the blocks one by one. Let's start the story from the point where the voxel object is completed. This is the screen in edit mode. This gray dot is the origin of the object. You need to indicate whether this origin is in the Minecraft coordinate system. Tap the button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap Data Output. This is the screen in data output mode. You need to enter the values for the X, Y, and Z coordinates in Minecraft. Please look up these values in Minecraft beforehand. Make sure you also know which direction the coordinate axes are in Minecraft. For example, decide where you want to place the object in Minecraft. The F3 key will bring up the debug screen. You can get the values here. This is where you are. And this is where the target block is. And you can see the direction of coordinate axes. Let's enter the values. Next, choose the direction in which you want to place the object. You can change the object's direction like this. When this toggle switch is off, only the voxels that exist in the whole rectangle will be output. When the toggle switch is on, in addition to the voxels that exist, the parts that do not have voxels will be output as error. Finally, you can add keywords to the file name to make the output file easier to recognize. Press the Start button to generate the files. Send the files to your Mac in any way you like. I usually copy it and paste it into the desired folder on my Mac. If you cannot find the file, reload it. Select the file and it should be drawn. It may take some time, so please wait a while. Thank you for watching.